Back when I first started doing YouTube videos, it was probably about 5 years ago, guys would say using loose screws are better, faster. But I think enough videos have come out to prove that's not the case. For a couple of reasons. To secure the sheet, in case when they're cutting it, it's kind of popped out of the old fixings, and when we put the sheet up, so we know we just screw here, screw there, just pair it up, go right around. We're just prepping this edge, making sure there's no loose paper, and then we're going to start fixing sheets. And we should have this all done by today. We're going to do internals, we'll show you a bit of that, we'll show you a bit of everything.
Awesome.
Thank you. You too. I had one job to measure up and get delivery of the board, and I was a few sheets short. Would you believe it? Would you believe it? That's freaking rookie mistake. Freaking shot, mate. Absolute shot. All aboard. Okay, we've got all the sheets on, we've got it all prepped up, made sure all the screws are in. Eugene's gone through with his float and he's sanded all of these recesses back, so that should be nice. In fact, such small 2 rooms, but yeah, we've got like 21 internals to do, or 5 externals to do, so when you're given prices and when you're getting a set price to do something, you think, oh, it's just 2 rooms, 21 meters of walls, but having 21 internals to do. That's sanding, it's 2 coats, it's paper tape. It's like this wall here, you know, you have internal there, external here, internal here. That's just this wall is like equivalent to half a room by itself. So it's those little things. Races set these up, so it's just right up here. We don't want to join it here because then it's going to bulge out and everything like that. So what Race has done is cut it up here, out of the way of this joint, and then it'll smooth nicely. These are my favorite jobs to do. I really like them. We don't even have a ladder up here. That's it. And we're gonna go down, we're gonna mix up some mud. We're gonna use fiber fuse, and we use paper for the internals because I don't really like using fiber fuse for the internals because it kind of rips. So that's it, we've got it all swept up and we're ready to mix the mud. Join us for the next video. You're gonna see us set all of this. There's 3 of us here today. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna go home early. We're gonna go to the pub. We're gonna go to the golf course. We're gonna do all of that stuff. Okay. No. Let's go. Alright, we have some areas here with some brown paper face gypsum has peeled off, and if we go to coat over that, we're worried that it's gonna bubble. We leave it till we not. So what I'll do, I'll come up with a little bit of stain block. I'll show you what stuff to use, and I'll just quickly roll over that real quick so we can set it so we know we won't have a problem.